this is the second part of the potato soup preparing, and my next step is to make the fry up. I'm calling this stage frying up, and for it I need the carrots, the onion and the oil. So first I want to shred the carrots and the onion in this shred device, with this shred device. And I will begin to do that. Okay. I need space, please. Alright. So this thing goes here, and this may be done also with a simple knife. Like the other things, it takes time. Okay, the first carrot is done. Because I like carrots, I will make it with 2 carrots, but it may as well be 1 carrot. Okay, this is the second carrot. Now I will also place the onion here. I may begin to cry a little. Okay. Now open up. Okay, here I have the ingredient for the fry up. Now it is time to turn on the oven. Like I said, I will use a simple hot plate, and I will begin with 5. Okay, this pot is with water. I will need the water after I made the fry up. And now this is the oil. I will not use all of the oil, but only to cover the ground of the pot. Okay, here is the pot. There. I will just make it on the oven without anything in it. This is because of the frying up. Now I will pour the oil. See? And that should be to cover the bottom and a little more. For this pot it is approximately 50 milliliters. Okay, that should be enough. Then I will put this thing inside. And now I need a hand to clean this. Let's remove that one. Where is the pot? There it is. Okay, now this is my mixing device that I will use. Alright, maybe it will need a little more oil. That should be enough. Now I will have to wait this mixture to fry up a little. When it begins to make the frying, I will count approximately 5 minutes and then add the flavor and then add the water. This will have to happen in a short time. Okay, I have to mix the onion with the potato, with the carrots. This is probably very annoying noise, but well, I don't know how to not make it. So it is beginning to fry a little. Now, from now on, I'm counting 5 minutes. Where's my clock? That should be here. And I have to prepare myself for the next stage. This is when I will put the flavor and the water and the potatoes. This is the frying up again. I'm waiting a little more. I'm getting ready for the flavor. smells good already. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, it is time for the flavor. So I will place it. And mix again. Let's see. Now this is a very quick mix. It is now time to put the water, because I don't need these things to stick. Okay, this is the first part of the water. From now on, we begin the second stage, where I will put the potatoes. Okay. Is that seen well? Okay, the bottom is glass, so there are no things that have sticked. So I must be careful not to make things stick at the bottom. Okay, time to place the potatoes. There they are. And well, if I don't use my other hand, I will probably spill out potatoes. So okay. They're blopping, so ta-da! So the potatoes are in. Let's. How did I pause that? I don't know, but I hope I didn't screw things up. And let's see now. The potatoes are in. In general, I want the water to be 2 fingers over the potatoes. So I will place a little more. And in time, if the water evaporates, I should add water. But now, because this is the main boiling stage, I will boil this thing from here for approximately 15 minutes. And after that, I will put the spices. Okay. Before I count the 15 minutes, it will have to begin to boil. And let's see what left. I'm done with the oil. Let's put this in some close space. Right. The next thing that I don't need are these 2 things. And what's left is the salt. Actually, I had to put the salt already, so let's put... You can put salt anywhere, anytime. But I don't like a lot of salt. So I'm done with the salt. It will be placed here, right? And what's left is a paper, the parsley, and the noodles, and tomato juice. Now these three things I will add after the 15 minutes, and after 5 minutes I will add the noodles, and then I will boil the soup another 15 minutes or half an hour. And finally I will make the build-up. So this is in general. Now I wait 20 minutes and I will record again in the third part of this video. This is for now, and thanks for watching.